Hi everyone, welcome to Lavanya Chemistry classes. In this session, we can understand the concept of IUPAC system of nomenclature. IUPAC means International Union of Pure and Applied Chemistry. It is in the year 1892. In the organic compound, we are right in the name of IUPAC naming. It can be consisted in three parts. What is that root word, prefix and suffix? The root word is the chain length. Now the number of carbon is increases. So the number of carbons are very different. So the IUPAC, the root word name is different. C1 is the meth, C2 is eth and C3. And then nature of carbon chains. Nature of carbon chain is saturated or unsaturated. Saturated means C single bond C, and unsaturated means C double bond C or C triple bond C. C single bond C is saturated, so the primary prefix is En for C single bond C, and the C double bond C is En and C triple bond C is En, and the general names are alkane, alkene and alkyne. And the types of carbon chains. If the carbon chains having two double bonds, so the primary prefix is diene. Three double bonds, triene. And the number of double bonds, n number of double bonds, so it is a polyene. And the two triple bonds, diene. This is the primary suffix. And then diene, the general name of diene is alkadiene, and triene is alkatriene, and polyene is alkapolyyne, and diene is alkadiene, and triene is alkatriene. These are the general names of like this. And then classification of organic compound is depends on functional group. Alcohols and aldehydes, ketones, carboxylic acids, esters, acid chlorides and acid amides, nitriles and NH2, amine. These are the secondary suffix. Alcohols having ol and CHO having al, C double bonds O is a one and oic acid, alkyl OH, acyl chloride, amide, nitrile, amine and thiol. SH is the thiol. And prefix is depends on cyclic nature of compound. That means the cyclic nature of compound. If the compound is cyclic, so we primary prefix is cyclo, and root word is but, and primary suffix. So the name of the compound is cyclobutane. And nature of the substituents present on the parent chain. The substituent groups are secondary prefix is the fluoro, chloro, iodo, nitro, nitroso and alkoxy, diazo. The fluorine is the fluoro and chlorine is the chloro, I is the iodo, NO2 nitro, NO nitroso, O or alkoxy, N triple bond N diazo, NH2 amino. These are the functional groups, substituents groups, and CH3, C2, H5. These are the methyl, ethyl, alkyl substituents, N-propyl, isopropyl, and tertiary butyl, and N-isopropyl. These are the all secondary prefix. These are the tertiary butyl. 4 carbons. Isopropyl having 3 carbons and N-propyl having 3 carbons are in straight chain. The substituent is attached to second position of the carbon, so it is called as a isopropyl. The N-propyl is a straight chain. So we called it as N. And the organic compound may be represented as prefix plus root word plus primary suffix plus secondary suffix. This is the example. In this example, having the skeleton having 4 carbons and OH is the functional group and third carbon chlorine. So these are the substituents. OH and Cl are the substituents and OH is the functional group. The root word, the number of carbons are 4, so it is a root word is but and primary suffix is -ane because all our single bonds are present. And next one, functional group is OH is present. This is the secondary suffix butane -ol, one -ol. It is in the first carbon. So 3-chlorobutane. The IUPAC system of nomenclature of alkanes. The name of the normal parent hydrocarbon is long chain rule, position of the substituent, lowest set of locants, presence of more than one same substituent, and naming different substituents. Naming different substituents at equivalent positions. Naming complex substituents. These are the rules for we write IUPAC name and the give names of IUPAC name in the following. Give IUPAC name of the following compounds. The compound is, the first question is CH3, CH2, CH, CH2, CH3, CH, CH2, CH3. It contains the compound containing 2 substituents are there. One is the methyl substituent and other one is the CH2, CH3 is the ethyl substituents. So the first rule is long chain in the compound. It is maybe horizontal, may not. So the first rule is straight chain, straight continuous chain. So 1, 2 substituents are there, methyl and ethyl compounds. Methyl substituents and ethyl substituents. So these are the substituents, different substituents. Long chain rule. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5th carbon, 6th carbon, 7th carbon. The long chain rule consisting 7 carbon atoms. So the root word is hepta. And second rule is the it having primary suffix is -ane because all are saturated carbon atoms are there. And then third one is the different substituent are there, ethyl and methyl substituents. Methyl and ethyl substituents. CH3 is the methyl, C2H5 is the ethyl substituent. So it is written in the order alphabetic order. So ethyl, methyl. In this, so the IUPAC name is, in the third carbon ethyl substituent are there. So 3 ethyl and 2 methyl, 5 methyl, 5th carbon having methyl group is there. The root word is hept and the secondary suffix is -ane. So 3 ethyl, 5 methyl heptane. Heptane. This is the IUPAC name. 3 ethyl, 5 methyl heptane. The order is the prefix plus root word plus and suffix. Prefix plus root word plus suffix. So prefix is a 3-ethyl 5-methyl is the prefix and root word is hept and suffix is -ene. So the IUPAC name of the following compound is 3-ethyl 5-methyl heptane. And the next question is CH3 CH2 CH2 CH3. The substituents are like this CH2 CH3 and CH2 CH3. It is the equivalent positions in the substituents. So the same substituents are attached to same carbon. One is the ethyl substituents C2H5. Equivalent positions are arranged in equivalent position in the chain. So in this compound skeleton containing 5 carbon atoms. So the first rule in the IUPAC naming of alkanes is straight chain. So we can number as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 carbons are continuous chain and substituents are ethyl substituents. And the root word is it containing 5 carbon atoms. So the root word is pent. 5 carbon atoms are in the skeleton. So the root word is pent. And the suffixes are -ene because all are saturated bonds. Saturated means single bonds are present. So the suffix is -ene. Equivalent position in the substituents and it containing ethyl substituents and the root word is pent and suffix is -ene, pentane. Suffix is -ene means single bonds are present and the saturated one. And the fourth one is prefix plus root word plus suffix. The IUPAC name in the alkane is prefix plus root word plus suffix. So 3,3 ethyl diethyl. 3,3 diethyl pent, root word is pent and suffix is -ene. So 3,3 diethyl pentane. diethyl pentane. This is the IUPAC name of the following this compound. And the next question is like this. CH3 thrice and CH2, CH2, CH, CH3, CH2, CH3. CH3 thrice, CH2, CH2, CH, CH3, CH2, CH3. This is the carbon skeleton, organic compound of the carbon. It containing continuous chain because any IUPAC name of the following alkanes we write. So it containing continuous, we choose continuous chain. It may be horizontal or not. So the continuous chain is in the CH3 thrice can be written as CH3, CH3, CH3. 3 times methyl groups are present. Only 3 methyl groups are attached to one carbon. So I can write in like this. Next CH2 CH2 CH CH3 CH2 CH3. In these same substituents, 3 methyl substituents are attached. Position of the long chain rule, position of the substituent, lowest set of locants, and presence of more than same substituent. So 3 methyl groups are present. So same substituents is present. 1 2 3. So the prefix is trimethyl. The numbered as 1 2 3 4th carbon, 5th carbon, 6th carbon, 7th carbon. So the continuous chain containing 7 carbons. The root word is the 7 carbons hept, because it containing 7 carbons. So the root word is hept, and suffix is ane, because all are saturated bonds are there. Alkanes. Ane. Saturated bond, single bonds. So the IUPAC name is 2, 2, 2, 2, 3, trimethyl, prefix plus root word plus suffix. The prefix is trimethyl. 2, 2, 5, 5, trimethyl, trimethyl, 2, 2, 5, trimethyl, root word is hept and suffix is ane. So 2, 2, 3, 5, trimethyl heptane. 3 methyl groups are substituents are present. So 2, 2, 5, trimethyl heptane. And the next question is CH3, CH, CH3, CH, CH3, and CH2, CH, more than one substituent. So CH, the skeleton is like this. It is substituted substituent is there. Observe this. We observe this skeleton. Just substituted substituents are present. And the next one is the root word. How to choose root word? How to choose numbered as? We numbered as 1, 2, left side, 6, 7, 8, 9. So CH2, CH3, CH2, CH3, 9, CH2, CH3. So 10 carbons, 10 long chain, 10 carbons or continuous chain. So in this long chain containing 10 carbons, so the root word is dec, and then suffix is ane because all our single bonds are present. That means saturated single bonds are present. This is the substituted substituent. So we can written like this: the substituted substituent consisting 3 carbons and then it containing 1 substituent. So the name is 2-methyl. It containing 3 carbons, so propane. 2-methyl propane. So the chain like this. In the remaining substituents are methyl substituents. So 2,3 dimethyl dec, 2,3 dimethyl and the 5th carbon containing substituted substituent. So the name is 5 in brackets 2-methyl propyl, 2-methyl propyl decane because all are single bonds. So the IUPAC name is 2,3 dimethyl 5 propyl decane. And the next question is CH3 CH3. This is also consisting substituted substituent CH2 CH3. The skeleton is like this. We can name as IUPAC name as this organic skeleton. Please once check this. It containing substituted substituents and long chain. The substituted substituent is we named as separately. So it containing another substituents also present. So the number is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. The organic skeleton containing 9 carbons. So the root word is none. The root word is none because it containing 9 carbons are present. None. And suffix is ane because it containing alkanes containing saturated carbon atoms. So the suffix is ane. Nonane. Root word plus suffix is nonane. And name is, so the IUPAC name of the following compound is in the second carbon containing 2 methyl substituents and the one is the 4th carbon containing substituted substituent. See this. See here. In the substituted substituent containing 4 carbons, one is methyl substituent. So remaining carbon chain is 1 2 3 carbon chain. The root word is propyl. So 1-methyl propyl. The name of the substituted compound is 1-methyl substituent. So The IUPAC name of the following compound is 2, 7. So the prefix is trimethyl, 2, 7 trimethyl, and the fourth carbon 4-methyl propyl. The root word is non and the primary suffix is -en, nonane. 2, 7 trimethyl, 1-methyl propyl, nonane. This is the IUPAC name of this compound. Thank you. Please